Hi, good morning, Horn Lake. I am Coach Young, the bowling coach. So yesterday we did something a little bit different than bowling team's probably never done before. We went in strike zone. We bowled against ourselves. We recorded our own scores. Then Friday, Center Hill, we'll do the exact same thing. It's called a call-in. We were supposed to play today, but because of the game Friday, football game Friday, we had to do the call-in. And so our scores will go against Center Hill scores, and then the winner we'll know Monday. I want to give a shout out to Caden Shepard. I'm gonna start trying to do Player of the Week, and this week he was Player of the Week. He bowled a 570 in 3 games. It's almost a 200 average. He showed up. He showed out. Last week, shout out to Deegan. He came in. He bowled his butt off. All right, our next bowling match will be December 6th. So we got a few weeks to fix some things that we need to fix. Bowling team, come on now, you gotta get up there and practice. If y'all like to come out and support us, please come out there. The bowling team would love to see y'all.